Hi everyone, this is Redge. Welcome to my channel. In this vlog, we're gonna talk about how to get paid on YouTube and my first ever paycheck that I got in Google. Ah, it's too bright. Yeah. To get paid on YouTube, you need to be monetized. Monetization is the process of earning revenue from a business, asset, etc. So to be monetized, you'll need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. I know it's hard for the starters in YouTube to reach those numbers, but if you are really determined and you keep on uploading at least every week or maybe every day, if you keep on interacting with your subscribers, they will stay and views will go up, and think about different contents. Don't be shy and stuff, and then you'll get through it. For me, I was just lucky because before Snapchat, Instagram stories, Facebook My Day were invented, I already have a YouTube account which I upload my videos to. Because before, there was no big memory on your phone. I want to keep my videos with my friends and my family, so I put it on YouTube and some random stuff that I do, and suddenly it became a bit viral. Especially the vaping one, but it's not monetized because of the terms and conditions. It reached 3 million and then unfortunately it was deleted. So I was just lucky to have that views because it was a long time ago, maybe 7 years. All my videos that I posted before are private now. And thanks to the technology, we have a lot of gig now to store our videos and pictures. And now we have the opportunity to vlog and earn money. Thank you. Okay, so this is the step on how to monetize your YouTube account. So on your YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio Beta. Click Creator Studio Classic. Click on Channel. And then this page will pop up. There is also a shortcut to go there. Just type youtube.com/features and it will pop up to this one. And then in this box it says here enable. So just click enable and it will go on the next page. So click on start and read and agree all the YouTube partner program terms. Once you read the terms and conditions, it's quite long. You need to have patience when you read that because it's very, very long and you need to understand it before you start being a YouTube partner. For me, I wasn't really that eager to be a YouTuber because I was scared that I might make mistakes, like I might accidentally violate some terms and conditions. Okay, after you click the terms of YouTube program, yep, you need to make a Google AdSense account. You need to type your address so that they will know who are they going to send their money to. For me, I wrote down my address and then I waited for I don't know how many months because I was still working abroad. And then the mail came into my house and then it was this one. Oops. So this is what I received from Google AdSense. Inside you have the step 1, sign into your Google AdSense account. Step 2, click the gear icon and select payments. So this is now how you get paid on YouTube. Then step 3, in the left navigation bar, click account information, then verify your address. Like I told you, you need to verify your address so that they will know who they send the money. And step 4, enter your PIN as it appears on the right and click submit PIN. So they will send in the mail including your PIN here. So my PIN is secret. After filling your address, you need to verify your bank account information. So name of your bank, account number, and there's an option there which is Swift code. So you need to call your bank and ask for the Swift code and then submit it to Google AdSense. After all this, you have a payment threshold. When you are already accepted, there is a payment threshold which is $100 minimum per month before they give you your revenue. You have to reach at least the 100% threshold, which is $100. So for example, I received $98 in a month. I won't be able to get it until it reach 100. So I will be able to get it the next month. I think $100 is ranging 50,000 international views. Because in the Philippines, it's different because one international viewer is equal to 4 Filipino viewers. So yeah, even if we have 100,000 views, but if it's all local viewers, then it is counted as 100 divided by 4 equals 25,000 views. So imagine $100 is 50,000 views, international views. I'm not sure with that. It still depends on the ads and the clicks. So if you want to step up after being monetized, you can also apply to be a YouTube partner. I think to be a YouTube partner, it's 15,000 cumulative watch hours for 90 days. Because being a YouTube partner, you have access to creation tools, community support, and tips. And you can even win prizes. So if you just want to step up. So basically that's it. First, you make a YouTube account. Second, you need to monetize your YouTube account by doing that steps. Reach 4,000 watch hours. Just keep on uploading. Be consistent. And next, make your Google AdSense account for you to be paid. I don't know how long it took me, but I just vlog about this because, like I was saying, I was just lucky to have my videos viewed without literally knowing that I'm vlogging. I thought I was just sharing a tutorial and then that's it. So this was delivered September 2018 and I just started vlogging, like uploading 2 months ago. I mean consistently uploading 2 months ago. So I'm still blessed that I still have this. To be monetized, yep, we need 4,000 watch hours because before it was like 10,000 minutes, I guess, but now they changed it. To achieve that, you just need to be determined. Like I said, to be determined, keep on uploading. Don't let your viewers get bored. Like, have some informative videos or lifestyle, travel, you're singing. Just don't be shy. Be true to yourself. Keep on interacting with your subscribers when they comment. At first, it will be hard because it's hard to think about the content and then you'll start to love it because it's gonna be a routine like, oh, there are people who are waiting for me. I need to at least upload or make a vlog weekly so they can have an update, what is going on, or I can still entertain them. Being a YouTuber, at first don't expect a big paycheck because we are just starting. It's like working on a job. You do this and then you will have an increase after how many years, but just be consistent and determined. So to make this short, let's have a conclusion of what we have tackled. So to be monetized, make your own YouTube account, 4,000 watch hours, and then 1,000 subscribers. Go to your channel, YouTube, type youtube.com/features and then click monetization, enable, wait for it, read the program terms, and make your Google AdSense account. You need to type your address so that they will know who are they going to send their money to. Verify your bank account information. So you need to call your bank and ask for the SWIFT code and then submit it to Google AdSense. And then wait for them to approve your request and you are already monetized. Just keep on uploading, keep on interacting with your subscribers when they comment. Just don't be shy. Be true to yourself. See you. So thank you for the time. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again.